Hello, I hope you're visiting this video tonight because you've heard about the great conjunction between Jupiter and Saturn that will take place on December 21st. At the end of this video, I will take you outside and show you what the night sky looks like tonight. It's December 10th, which should give you a pretty good idea of where the planets will be aligned in a week and a half. So to kind of explain what we're seeing, I'm going to take us back to the summer of this year. And if we look at where Earth, Jupiter, and Saturn were positioned in their orbits around the Sun, Earth was in its summer location, Jupiter was here, and Saturn was here. Earth travels around the Sun at a much faster rate than either Jupiter or Saturn. Earth goes around the Sun once every year. Jupiter takes about 12 years to go around the Sun, and Saturn takes about 29 and a half. So Earth is moving much more quickly in its orbit around the Sun. So if I went outside this summer, late in the evening, and took a look, a person standing on Earth would have looked up in the sky and seen Saturn, which would have appeared to have been more to the left if it was in the southern sky, and Jupiter would have appeared further, I guess, to the east, or excuse me, to the west, I'm sorry. So now I'm going to fast forward to what this orbit looks like now. So now we have our solar system map on the night of December 21st. So we notice that Earth, from its summer position, has now traveled almost halfway around the Sun. So it's now located here. Jupiter, which was here, has traveled a little bit in its orbit, and it's now located here. And Saturn, which was here, has moved even less in its orbit around the Sun than either Earth or Jupiter has. But if we'll notice, as we're viewing from Earth, now we see this green line goes right through Jupiter, right through Saturn. So if I'm standing on Earth and I look, because it appears in the distance, Jupiter, even though it's much closer to Earth than Saturn is, they appear in the sky like they're almost touching each other. This will be a great opportunity. It will be the closest these two planets have been since the 1200s, and they will not be this close again until the year 2080. So I hope you get a chance to go outside and view this. Now, the next part of this video, we will actually go outside and see where they are located in tonight's sky. All right, it is 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on December the 10th, 2020. And I am at my school where we are at about 40 degrees north latitude. And as we look off to the southwestern sky, we can see Jupiter is the brighter star of the two, the brighter planet of the two, and then Saturn is just above it to the left. So on the night of December 21st, you get kind of an idea of how high above the horizon it is. On the night of December 21st, it will be just a little lower than this by 7 o'clock, but not much. If you're at a higher latitude, the planets will be a little bit lower as well, and the closer you get to the equator, a little bit higher in the sky, you will find them. But they should be very close together. So on the night of the 21st, these two planets will be as close together. They'll be about as 1/5 the diameter of the moon apart from each other. You don't need binoculars or a telescope, but if you have them in a telescope, you might be able to see both of them in the same field of view. So it's the last time this happened, when they were this close, was during the 1200s. So it's been a long time ago, and it will be at least until the year 2080 until they are this close again. So hope you get a chance to see it. Hope you have clear skies, and good luck.